Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne and today we'll be making chicken tikka boti masala. So I hope you enjoy. So here are the ingredients. Half a tablespoon of chicken tikka masala, 3 pieces of garlic and 1 green chilli. You can add as many chilies you want. 1 tablespoon of Achar Gosht masala, 1 tablespoon of Zeera, 1 tablespoon of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chilli and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we've got some chicken breast and skewers. Now I'm going to add all the masalas into the blender. We're going to add a bit of yogurt in. So now the masala is ready and we soaked the chicken breast in vinegar for 1 hour to make it soft and smell nice. Now I'm going to add the masala in. Now we're going to mix it. I mixed it really well and now we're going to add it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now I'm going to cover it. So whilst the chicken is getting ready in the fridge, we're going to be making some naan. Here are the ingredients. 4 cups of plain flour, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it. We forgot to say milk, but you can put as much milk as you want, and we've got some water. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients into here to mix it. I'm going to add the milk, now the cooking oil, now the eggs. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. Now let's mix. Now I'm going to add the mixture into the flour. I've washed my hands. I'm going to mix it slowly. If I need water, I'm going to add it in. It's nearly ready. I'm just kneading it. It's ready now. Now I'm going to cover it. We're going to make the naan when the chicken is ready. Guys, after 2 hours the chicken is ready and we're going to put them on the skewers. My mum made it like a barbecue because it's a beautiful day, but we don't have like the proper things for a barbecue, so we're making it in the oven inside. So guys, mine is ready. It looks a bit fluffy.
Do it like zigzag. More easier.
Okay, so I'm gonna just... So guys, the chicken tikka is ready. We've put them on the skewers and we put 1 glass of water underneath them. So guys, we're going to add it in the oven for 15 minutes and we're going to turn it over every 2 to 3 minutes. We've made another tray of chicken tikka and we've added some corn. Now we're going to add it into the oven. Now after 7 minutes, we're going to turn the chicken tikka around. It's looking yummy and I can't wait to try it when it's ready. And we're going to turn the corner around as well. And we're going to add both trays into the oven again until they're ready. Whilst the chicken is getting ready in the oven, my mum made some yogurt chutney and some salad. It looks yummy. Now the naan dough is ready and it's really soft. My mum is gonna make the naan because I can't make naan. So she's just made the round circle, now she's just rolling it. When it's ready, she's gonna add it on the tawa. You can make as many as you want. We've made 3. We love naan with these type of foods. We always make them like when we're making these types of food. Turn it around and add a little bit of butter on top. After you put the butter on top of the naan is ready. Wow, it's looking really yummy. Now my mum is gonna cut the naan through the middle. And it's gonna look like this. Now the chicken tikka is ready. My mum is gonna take the chicken off the skewers and she's gonna add them on the plate and she's gonna garnish them. The chicken should be looking like this after it's ready. It's looking crispy, golden and yummy. Finally it's ready and it's looking mashallah yummy. My mum made some drink with it. Wow, it looks really, really yummy. Can't wait to try it. My mum's gonna show you how soft the chicken is. I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the post notification bell on. Now we're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you how sunny and lovely it is outside. And my sisters are gonna be with me as well. Mashallah, beautiful. We have a beautiful garden and that's my little sister. My second sister is here. And then there's me. I hope you liked my garden and until the next video, Allah Hafiz.